To disclose or not disclose? As a seller, what am I supposed to disclose? Hi, we're John and Claire Hickey of Engel and Voelkers Real Estate. What to disclose is important to understand when selling your home. We're happy to say that after selling hundreds of homes here in the foothills of La Cañada, Crescenta Valley, down through Shadow Hills, neither we nor our clients have ever had a lawsuit for anything, including failure to disclose.
As a homeowner, it is vital to disclose material facts, including things that have been repaired, replaced, modified, added, fixed, or changed, as this will help you stay out of court. It is essential to go over all the disclosures before putting your house on the multiple listing service or showing your home to a buyer. We want the buyer to have previously reviewed the disclosures before making their offer. This will help ensure that the buyer doesn't back out from things they should have already been aware of.
Did you know in California there are many disclosure forms that need to be completed by you, the seller? And this is not only for the buyer, but also a safety net for the seller. Anything, whether or not you live on a golf course or if you have a sex offender living in the surrounding area that you know about, would have to be disclosed. So if you painted the walls, cleaned or changed the carpets, added new lighting, or fixed the water heater, you need to disclose it. One of the common sayings to our clients is, if you have to ask us, should you disclose it, the answer is almost always going to be yes.
Over-disclosure is better than under-disclosure and will keep you out of the courtroom. You want the buyer to know anything and everything that you know about the home. When you disclose properly, you don't have to worry about them coming back to you later telling you they want to go to court or that they want to extract more money from you. Obviously, you only disclose what you know about. Sometimes there may be issues with the property that the owner didn't know about. The buyer would have to prove the seller knew and kept that from them intentionally in order to win in court.
So disclose, disclose, and disclose. If you're thinking about selling, give us a call. With over 40 years experience in local residential real estate, we'd love to help you find the best strategy when it comes to selling what is most likely your greatest asset. We're John and Claire Hickey of Engel and Voelkers, and we love guiding you home.
We see you in the next video.